intro. Welcome back to another video, and today I made a very impulsive buy, and I'll be showing you guys in a little bit. We just got this car literally like 20 minutes ago. Going home now. It's about a 3-hour drive from Missouri. She needs some work, all right? She's not perfect. She needs some work. She's got an oil leak. She's got lights on right now, but I will show you guys what it is when I get back. It is finally the day after. It was a long drive, but we are home now, so I see it in the corner of my eye right now. But I'll show you guys the car. Just keep in mind, it's in rough shape, so she needs a lot of work, but I see a pretty good damn vision with this car, so I'm excited to show you guys. Let's go head out. There she is. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Best view in my opinion, the rear end, just because it looks so perfect. Give you a whole walk around. Don't mind that. The only problem I really have with this is we got this dent right here, and then we have a fat nasty hit right in the front. So as you can maybe tell, this is dented inwards, so if anything, if we want to save this hood, we'd have to push this out. And my thinking is, with a bit of heat and a rubber mallet with some love taps, we can get it semi-straight. But honestly, if we can't, it's almost like a $200 hood, which is not that bad honestly, and we might even get lucky at a junkyard. So headlights super fogged, massive amounts of swirl marks, which we can take care of. Other than that, she really just needs some love, a lot of love actually, but just love, and it should be straight. We also have to replace all these seals because these is ridiculous, and I was thinking of actually blacking these out, so I might go ahead and do that. Let's get inside real quick. Oh, I forgot the key. Shit. Let's show you guys the interior. So we have this, like, I don't even know what it is exactly, but like saddle brown with black interior, which is kind of interesting. Oh shit. Top is like tan interior, so it's kind of weird because the carpets are black, but I really would love to make this all painted black and dyed black, so that would top the interior off for me at least, and maybe a steering wheel. But right now I'm getting ahead of myself. I gotta focus on fixing the problems it currently has, and she has quite a few. So as you guys probably caught in the beginning of the video, we have a fat oil leak just right here. Let me give you guys a little startup, and then we'll bring her in. So currently sitting at 179,000 miles. So she's been some places. Also, another problem right off the bat, if you guys can even tell, I'm thinking a vacuum leak, because this car likes to shake a little bit when it's idling. I don't know if you guys can hear it or even see. Yeah, you can tell right there. Trying to stay perfectly still and it's moving. So I'm guessing vacuum leak, and we'll have to dive in to see what we can find, honestly. But other than that, she's got good bones. She made it without overheating or anything. The check engine light will turn on, as well as the brake light and coolant, so we'll have to check out that as well. But I'm really not too concerned, so let's get this baby clean and see where we should start. So here is my current plan of method. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I might just get these quick jacks out, put them under here, and then see what I can get, because we have massive oil leaks. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but we have a bunch of sludge down there that I kind of want to clean up before I go under there and work. So I'd like to get rid of that first, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So here's already our first biggest problem. I don't know if you can see, but it's leaking quite a bit. Looks like oil, but it's coming from right under this boot right here. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is absolutely disgusting. So if you can see, Literally oil, sludge, anything you can name is all under here everywhere. So this is why I perfectly wanted to do the just power wash it all off and, you know, let it dry, let it do its thing, and then maybe we can better diagnose where the oil leak or leaks are coming from and then go about it that way. Because if you can see, it runs all the way down there. It's nasty. So we're gonna give it all a quick power wash, let it do its thing, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Sick. And I'm not really gonna videotape this because this shit's gonna get messy, so I'm just gonna do a transition and hopefully it comes out clean. So just like that, it's all good. As you can see, clean. Mess. Anyways, we're gonna jack this up real quick, move it back to its designated spot. Now hopefully we can find out where the oil leak will be coming from, and then we'll have the under tray clean. All right, so now I'm under the car. As you can see, I probably put it on the sidewalk, as you can probably see. Anyways, very clean. Actually, I take that back. It's still very dirty, but a lot cleaner than it was. Can clearly see the outlines of things now and identify what they are. So let me go and show you guys what we're dealing with. If you finally can see everything that's supposed to be silver and nice and gray instead of blacked out. First oil leak I have identified, I think, is just from this oil drain plug. And from what I've heard and the research that I've done and whatnot, that the oil drain plug is supposed to go in like at an angle. So I'm guessing somebody tried to do it like this, like straight on, like how it is right now, and maybe just cross-threaded it on accident by not knowing that it's supposed to go a little bit at an angle. I honestly can't see any other leak, which is a little bit concerning because the amount of oil all the way towards the back is pretty insane. So I'm wondering if this is just not only oil and if it's something this could be coming from the power steering. But yeah, we have our work cut out for us. So she got cleaned up pretty well, but there's still a bunch everywhere. So I'm gonna give it another go. I don't know when I'll be, because I'm pretty busy. There's just gonna be random clips of me working on this whenever I can throughout the week. But yeah, we have our work cut out for us, that's for sure. But anyways, you guys enjoyed, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys this car. But stay tuned, we're gonna be turning this into a beast. We're gonna get her right, we're gonna spice her up a bit. So hope you guys enjoyed. Catch y'all in the next video, and peace.